When flying, do you think of the words cleanability, durability, accessibility, and predictability? Consider the details. On a twin-aisle aircraft, before takeoff, it's possible that more than 25,000 individual items have to be boarded. Everything from food supplies to tableware and from blankets to toiletries. During the fitting out of cabins, FAA regulations have to be strictly observed. Every cabin installation and furnishing item has to be thoroughly tested in combination with all other related items to demonstrate compliance with defined standards of flammability, heat release, smoke, and toxicity. Work surfaces have to be hard-wearing, non-slip, and scuff-resistant. For heavy-duty seat covers and aisle carpets, modular removable sections can ensure rapid replacement. It takes meticulous planning and execution for airlines to reduce their turnaround times at airport gates and dispatch their aircraft in top-class condition. To find out how these systems operate, go to the cabin maintenance section of the app Jetliner Cabins, Evolution and Innovation.